Dear students, today I am going to explain two important topics, and both topics are very important, and please pay attention. First, my topic is there, proclamation declaration. So, dear students, you know that America was the colony of Britain, and British established 13 colonies in America, and American raw material taken by British government and exploitation of colonies started. So gradually enlightenment came to existence in each and every part of America, and finally what happened? American Revolution started, and American Revolution is known as American War of Independence. I think all my students are very much familiar about American Revolution or American War of Independence. America got freedom in 1776. I think all of you are very much familiar regarding American Revolution, and it was the first revolution of the world. I'm telling you, first revolution against the colonial rule or against the imperialism that came to existence in America, and finally America became first democratic country, a republican country, and republican democracy set up in America first time. So America had set up example before the world that we can defeat imperialism if unity will be there, if people will ready to sacrifice their life for the sake of the nation. So easily we can defeat any colonial power, and they set up example. So American Revolution or American Revolution is very important in the history of each and every country. Means all nations taken lesson from American Revolution. And after that what happened? Many uh, places you can see the revolution, like French Revolution came to existence, and many other nations, colonial empire started movement against their colonizer, and they got independence. With reference to the American Revolution, when America got freedom, after that, one resolution was passed that is known as proclamation declaration, or in other word we can say the Declaration of Independence. So this is very important. Question can be asked, who wrote proclamation declaration? So answer will be there, Thomas Jefferson. And who was the Thomas Jefferson? Literary people, intellectual person. He is known as very renowned personality of America and literary person. He framed the proclamation declaration, and proclamation declaration can be compared with objective resolution. Why I am telling this? Which type of India will be there when Constituent Assembly frame the Constitution? So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru proposed objective resolution, and I think you people are familiar about objective resolution. Ki India will be nothing but republic. Means which type of India will be there? A republican form of government will be there. What do you mean by republican form of the government? Republican form of the government means it is a kind of democratic system in which national head will be elected person, not by hereditary ground. Means selection will be there on democratic process, not by hereditary ground. Okay. Two example I would like to mention: America and India, Republican democracy, and Japan and England, only democracy. Why they are not having a Republican form of the government in Japan and England? Because in both country, king or queens will be there. Kings or queens will be there. So that's why national head will be only king or queen. But in India and America, national head will be elected person. Any person can be head of the nation. And how it will be decided? By democratic process, by election. I think you people are familiar. So now I am coming to the point. The proclamation declaration. Proclamation declaration was introduced by or framed by Thomas Jefferson. According to this one, means it is stated that all human beings are created equal with certain rights, including life, liberty, pursuits of happiness. What do you mean by this? How many people are there in America? All will be created, all human beings will be treated as a equally, means they are equal, equality is stored, and certain rights provided to each and every citizen. It was a declaration. But here one drawback is there I would like to mention. Dear students, so slaves were also there in America. So it was against the proclamation declaration. So I think it is clear. Rights given to all, but one group not got, that group was slaves. And proclamation declaration, the objective, the philosophy had been fulfilled when in 1862 new president, means 16th president of America, Abraham Lincoln, introduced emancipation proclamation. What do you mean by emancipation proclamation? Very important. Means Abraham Lincoln called his cabinet, meeting of his cabinet, and in that cabinet one resolution was passed. What resolution? What order was issued? Order was there: all slaves of America will be free. Means in America no slavery system will be there. And after that, in several times many amendment taken place. Amendment 2-3 amendments are there. In detail one, in when I'll start this American Civil War, in that one I'll teach you. So amendment taken place, and each and every slaves got equal rights. So why I am telling this lesson? Because try to understand कि proclamation declaration given right to all citizen, but one group of America, that was slaves, they not got. And when they achieved their rights, when Abraham Lincoln became the president of America, and he introduced, or he declared emancipation proclamation. It means slavery system abolished from America. Credit goes to Abraham Lincoln. So here two personalities are there. First one Thomas Jefferson, and second one Abraham Lincoln. Okay, Thomas Jefferson framed the proclamation declaration in 1776, 4th July. I think you know 4th July is Independence Day of America. I think you know America got independence on 4th July 1776, and proclamation declaration is framed by Thomas Jefferson. Okay, his philosophy was very clear, but one drawback was there. कि slavery system existed. It was against the philosophy of proclamation declaration, and the dream of Jefferson fulfilled, completed when Abraham Lincoln became the president of America, and he introduced emancipation proclamation. Means equality, reality is there. Equality had been introduced by not Jefferson, proclamation by Abraham Lincoln, emancipation proclamation. I think you are clear now. So these are important points. Means each and every, now after emancipation proclamation, each and every citizen of America will have rights, means liberty and pursuits of happiness had been introduced. So thank you today, and next day I will come with another video. Thank you.